little concert. Always very well received.
It's my old doll's house.
I've been renovating it.
Howard's convinced it's going to be a bestseller.
I can't publish your book.
It's bloody good!
Fraser, it's shit!
This is Mitch, my new boyfriend. I told him you thought I should dump him, and he went mad.
I'm gonna kill you, Howard!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. How are you feeling?
Fine. Bit sore in places. Look, I'm really sorry about last night. Any embarrassment I might have caused.
Embarrassment? Oh, you mean laying waste to the church nativity scene and using the Virgin Mary to bludgeon Mitch's head to a pulp?
That sort of thing, yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't worry. It'll all blow over in 20 years.
You're ashamed of me, aren't you?
Ashamed. And strangely sexually excited by it.
What?
You really showed him who's boss.
Mel? You sure this is a good idea?
Very much so.
But we're in your parents' house.
Well, you just have to be very quiet.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Huh?
We don't need one of those.
But...
Howard, I want another baby.
Oh, God, I love you.
Oh!
Merry Christmas, Mum.
Merry Christmas, Angela.
Yes, Merry Christmas. Yes, I've still got presents to wrap. You haven't got any paper, have you, darling?
No, sorry.
Ah, now you haven't forgotten the Bledlows are coming, have you?
No.
Hard. Daphne's only just come out of hospital at the weekend. A very difficult operation to deal with a cosmetic surgery disaster, so please don't mention her breasts.
Her breasts?
Silly old stick had them enlarged. One collapsed on holiday in the Azores. Oh, and Rupert is chairman of the Bar Council, so no jokes about lawyers.
Okay.
Is Ed coming?
Yes, he flew in last night. He's been deep sea diving.
So no jokes about scuba diving?
Oh, my God.
Sorry about that, Angela. I don't know how they... It's okay, they're not, used.
Right. Well, I'd better get on. When you've finished, Mel.
So your ex-boyfriend's coming then, eh?
He is, so you better watch out.
The famous Ed Bledlow. I can't wait.
Howard, are you awake?
Merry Christmas, Dick.
Merry Christmas, Dad.
Merry Christmas. The police are here. They want to talk to you, Howard.
It was then that Mitch Spencer attacked me with a wise man bringing frankincense. I finally succeeded in overpowering him by rendering a number of blows to Mr. Spencer's head and body with the Virgin Mary. Is that your statement, Mr. Steele?
Yes.
Are you happy with your statement, Mr. Cook?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Mr. Steele, I'd like you to accompany me back to the station for further questioning, please.
You're arresting me?
Mr. Steele, you do not...
Dick, do something! He's arresting me!
Dick! Oh, Christmas Day.
Dick!
Dick, think of Mel and Emily.
Look, officer, I'm sure this can keep until the new year. I was only saying to my good friend, the Chief Constable, we in the legal profession should do all we can to keep the workload light during Christmas.
Perhaps it could wait for a few days.
Very good. I'm sorry you've been troubled on Christmas Day, officer.
Okay, well, I mean, you can't choose your family now.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Eggnog, anyone? It is Christmas.
No, thank you.
What the hell was that?
Eve? What are you doing?
I can't cope without Mitch.
What?
There's no point anymore.
For goodness sake, that's no reason to hang yourself, you daft lump. What have you done?
What is it?
Don't worry, Dick, she's just tried to commit suicide.
What?
Oh my God!
Leave it with me, I'll sort her out.
Could she kill herself somewhere else, please, Hard? The blood blows are coming!
Yes, of course. So what on earth's got into you?
I can't stop thinking about Mitch.
Okay, look, so that didn't work out. You can't go hanging yourself.
He's the only person who ever loved me.
Rubbish, lots of people love you.
Oh.
Well, I love you.
Do you?
Yes. Sort of. Now, let's not hear any more of this suicide nonsense. Eh? Promise?
Yes.
Now, clear all this up. You'll have to pay for all this, you know. I'm so sorry about that, Angela. I don't know what got into her. She's never tried anything like that before.
Hard. The Christmas crackers don't bang. My cranberry sauce has congealed. I've got enough on my plate today without having to deal with your secretary.
Of course, and she'll pay for the replastering. I'll see to that. Did Binky just have something in his mouth?
I'm sorry.
Excuse me. Binky!
Just stay back there, Howard.
Righto. I just wondered if Binky might have come in here with something.
With what?
A rubber ball.
No, he's not been in here.
Wow, you made a good job with the doll's house, Dick.
Unfortunately, I don't think I'll have it ready today. Which is a shame for Emily.
I could help you finish it.
No, thank you.
Please, Dick. I mean, I feel really awful about it. I mean, I'd love to help.
All right. Start gluing all those. Get them ready for me. And be careful with that glue, it's powerful stuff.
Righto.
You better put those overalls on first, it's messy work. Now, has Angela told you that the Bledlows are coming today?
Yes, yeah, she did mention it.
Good.
Look, Dick, I could be your mini-me.
What?
Your mini-me.
I'm not with you.
Mini-me, you know, Austin Powers. The spy who don't worry.
Oh, God, excuse me.
Dick?
That's most of the rubble. How are you feeling?
A bit better, thank you. Can we call you a taxi? Drop you off with a relative or someone?
No, I've got nowhere to go. Only my flat. On my own.
Oh, well, stay with us then. We can't have you alone at Christmas.
I thought Mitch was the one. I was so happy. Oh, I've never had an orgasm in my life till a week last Wednesday.
Really?
And then I had 2 in one night. During Life of Grime.
Okay, let's get you back to bed.
Where are my bagpipes?
What?
My bagpipes! You've taken them, haven't you? What? No! First you poo-poo my book, now you're trying to scupper my little show.
Oh, Fraser, get off! Look, I don't know anything about your bloody bagpipes! Oh, what? Look what you've done now!
I'm on to you, Steele. I know your little games.
Oh, Dick, are you all right?
Yes, sorry. I've just got a bit of a problem with the old Well, waterworks, if you must know.
Ah, same thing happened to my granddad when he got to your age. Up in the night so often, Grandma made him sleep in the bath. Then Grandad rigged up a funnel and a piece of hose. So he could go without going, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Dick? Oh my God! Right. Is he gone?
Yes. Oh, thank you.
Oh, you had me worried there, Dick. Oh, I thought we'd lost you again.
What are you doing?
Well, I can't get...
Try taking your overalls off.
I can't reach the buttons.
Hello! How lovely to see you. Happy Christmas. Oh, Daphne, you look well.
Angela.
Rupert, oh, I think you're getting that tummy back.
Too many long lunches with that husband of yours, Angela.
And who's this handsome stranger?
Hello, Angela.
Hello!
Melissa!
Ah, now is this the same mad 23-year-old who dumped me to go and become a vet?
Could be.
How are you, sweetie?
Fine. And for the record, you dumped me.
Ah, it was me that was mad.
Pick your feet up.
Ah! Here comes Dick. Daphne and Rupert are here, Dick.
Hello. Welcome. Happy Christmas, Daphne. Good to see you, old chap. Hello, Ed.
Hello.
You all know Howard.
Happy Christmas.
Actually, we've not met. Ed Bledlow, nice to meet you.
Howard Steele.
Would you excuse us? My son-in-law seems to have glued himself to me.
Oh, sorry.
Will you watch your feet, Howard? You've just taken the skin off my heel.
Yeah, sorry.
For God's sake, Howard, let me get my arm out.
I'm trying.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
What?
Quick. I need the lavatory.
Have you had this wallpaper long, Dick?
About 20 years.
That's a nice bit of pattern.
How?
What?
Gluing yourself to Dad!
It was Fraser's fault.
In front of the Bledlows, too. Mum says she's never been so embarrassed.
Mel, I need to tell you something.
Is it something good?
No?
What is it?
You know the condom that I was going to put on this morning?
Oh, don't tell me.
It was hanging out of my trousers when I was giving my statement to the police.
Did anyone see it?
No, I flicked it away with my foot before anyone could, but unfortunately I can't find it.
So there's a condom lying around the house.
No, not the whole house, just the dining room.
Oh, super, just the dining room. Oh, well, let's just hope that Rupert Bledlow, KBE, chair of the Bar Council, doesn't get served turkey with 2 types of stuffing garnished with my husband's condom.
Yeah, let's hope.
Find it, Howard. Find it now.
I'll go and find it. Hello again. So you going on the walk?
Yes.
Nothing like a bracing walk before Christmas lunch.
Absolutely. I love turkey.
Oh, Angela normally does goose.
Not this year. I think she's ringing the changes. Actually, I'm rather pleased. Not much of a fan of goose.
I rather like it.
Oh, it's overrated in my view. Hardly any meat on it. About 6 slices of breast if you're lucky.
Well, I prefer leg anyway.
Well, that is good news. What about you, Daphne?
Sorry?
Leg or breast?
Breast?
Oh, I see we're going to be fighting over the breast.
Oh, you're all ready. Oh, who's that on Christmas Day?
I'll get it.
Well, I've got the lunch order, Angela. I've established Rupert's a leg man and Daphne would like some breast.
What?
Meat. We were talking meat. Sorry, I wasn't talking about your breasts. I was talking turkey. Yeah. Why would I talk about... I mean, they look fine, completely normal.
Let's get going on that walk, shall we?
That was Mary Risdale Smith. She was just walking her dog. Said there was someone on our roof.
What? Who?
Eve? What the hell were you doing?
I climbed on the ledge outside my bedroom window. I thought it was the best thing all round.
You could have killed yourself.
I know!
Don't worry, I'll handle this. Come here, you. Well, I've had a word with Eve. I don't think she'll try that again. It's the doctor's giving her the once-over. I think she's in good hands.
Well, I've run out of chipboard. Angela, shall we do this walk?
Yes, yes. Lunch won't be till 3.
Great, yeah. Come on, you lot. Go and enjoy your Christmas walk. I'll hold the fort, don't you worry.
Fraser, are you coming?
Not this year, Dick. No.
See you later.
So, it's just you and me alone, Steele.
And Emily. And Eve. And Eve's doctor.
Where are my bagpipes, Steele?
Oh, for God's sake. Fraser, I don't know. Look, Fraser, I think you may be having some sort of nervous breakdown.
Don't make things worse for yourself, Steele. Where are my bagpipes? I don't know where your bagpipes are! Where are my bagpipes, Steele?
I ate them.
Where are my bagpipes?
I ate them. They were delicious.
Where are my bagpipes? I don't know! Where are my bagpipes?
What bagpipes?
Where are my bagpipes?
Hey. What's going on?
Nothing.
Freezer!
It's his fault. He hid my bagpipes.
This is me scuba diving in Borneo.
Very nice.
Oh, yeah, Eve wants to say goodbye.
Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm sorry about your conservatory.
Shouldn't you be in hospital?
I'm going there right now. This is just a precaution.
Well, have a good Christmas Eve. Hopefully see you in the new year.
Do come in, Rupert. Daphne all right?
Just having a little rest. I think the walk took it out of her.
Oh, poor thing. I'll call her when lunch is ready.
A nut.
Oh, thanks.
I hear you're going sailing in the Caribbean.
Yes, that's right. Next March.
Little tip. Never, ever urinate in the sea.
I wasn't planning to.
There's a tiny catfish called a kangaroo, so small it can swim up your urethra. Little blighter gets stuck by its dorsal fin. 10 hours later, your bladder explodes. Not a pretty sight. Happened to a friend of mine during a game of canasta.
That's me shark fishing.
Nice speedos.
I tell you, the whole day was bloody amazing. You should have seen the size of the one I got. It was bloody big.
I hope we're still talking sharks.
You look very fit, Ed. Do you work out?
Yeah, most days.
I keep telling Dick to get on his exercise bike. Honestly, you should see him undressed. He looks like a chicken with bird flu.
Champagne, Rupert, before Angela drinks it all.
Thank you.
Howard's just cancelled his gym membership.
Oh, no. Howard, you must do something.
Oh, I don't like it, Angela. I find a gym tends to attract poseurs.
You said it was because a man kept staring at you.
Can't think why.
Oh, Dick, the wine needs decanting. It's on the drinks trolley in the dining room.
I'll do it.
All right?
Yep, fine. Yeah. Couldn't be better. So, got yourself a harpoon gun then?
Yeah. Present from my dad.
Yeah, we're opening our presents when Emily wakes up, so we can do it all together, as a family.
You scuba?
Me? No. I had a kaleidoscope when I was 6. I can't get too excited about multicoloured fish.
You arsehole.
What are you doing?
If only you were out the picture, I could marry my first love.
Don't be silly.
But you took her away from me, Howard.
No, that was someone else. I came along years later.
I saw her first!
Just put it down, Ed.
Only joking, Howard.
What?
Yeah, I wasn't going to shoot you. It's not cocked, pal.
I didn't think it was.
If you need the lavatory, there's one just down there. All right, mate?
The wine has been successfully decanted, Angela.
How many bottles?
Just the one.
Oh, I think we'll need more than that, Howard.
Yes, sir. Right you are.
Oh, well, that smells delicious, Andrew.
Thank you, Ed. Actually, I'm looking for a volunteer to carve.
Oh, well, listen, I've been known to fillet a wild boar with a penknife, so bring it on.
It just went off! Howard! I'm so sorry, I was holding it!
What is it?
Top of the turkey!
What the hell are you doing with my Christmas present?
What is it, Angela?
It just went off!
Just give me 5 minutes with him.
Fraser, no!
God, it's ruined! It's ruined!
Don't know what to say.
Don't say a bloody word!
Oh, Mel, Ed, go and keep Rupert company. Tell him lunch has been delayed. I've got some chicken fillets in the fridge. Oh, Dick, put some olives in those bowls.
My breast has gone. It can't have. I put it there. I woke up and now it's gone.
Do you think it was Howard?
Don't be silly, Mum.
Everything okay in there?
Oh, don't worry, Rupert. Women's business.
It's my own fault. I should never have had them done.
Don't get upset, Daphne. Look, come with me. I'll make you some tea.
I can't be seen like this.
Oh, I'm sure no one will notice, will they, Mel? Mel?
No.
Pinky, no! Those aren't for you!
Daphne found my bagpipes. You're off the hook, Steele.
Have you ever thought of voluntary euthanasia?
Did I hear a request for an encore?
Oh, one shouldn't have too much of a good thing, Fraser.
More olives, Rupert.
No, thank you.
Right, well, better get those chicken fillets in.
Anything I can do to help, Angela?
No, thank you, Howard.
Let me get your slippers for you.
What?
Come on, you've been on your feet all day.
What, my slippers?
Come on, let's get you out of these nasty boots.
Howard, get your hands off my feet.
Come on.
Howard, get off me. I'm trying to prepare lunch.
Wonderful chicken, Angela.
Thank you, Rupert. Would you like me to get you a sharper knife, Howard?
Sorry, Angela. Finding it rather tough.
Well, nobody else seems to be having any difficulty.
Oh my God.
What is it, darling?
That's my breast.
What?
He's eating my breast.
Is it?
Yes! How?
Well, I don't know. Would you like it back, Daphne? I've only chewed it a bit.
No!
Of course she doesn't.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I make a toast?
No.
I'm sorry?
You've urinated on our goose. You've scalded the vicar's testicles. You've castrated our friend's dog. You've glued yourself to my backside. You've harpooned the turkey, and now you've chewed on Daphne's breast. So I think you can just keep quiet, Howard.
I also saved your life, Dick, when you were choking on a digestive. All I wanted to say was that you, Angela, like so many mothers across the country, have created a fabulous Christmas for us. I know it hasn't gone exactly according to plan, but I just want you to know that this is the place that Mel, Emily and I would most like to be for Christmas. To Angela.
To Mum.
Angela.
Thank you, Howard. Oh, Binky! Will you leave my foot alone?
Do excuse me. Yes!
Well, I can't wait to open the presents.
Yes. Christmas wouldn't be Christmas without presents. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Can anyone smell burning?
Merry Christmas.
Richard Hammond joins Jonathan Ross tonight in his first TV interview since crashing at high speed. That's at 10:35 after the news on BBC One. And on BBC Three in half an hour, more comedy with a double edition of 2 Pints.